Hello and Happy New Year! Welcome back to Cooking with Celebrate. Today we bring you a simple, easy, and delicious recipe, our candy dipped grapes with our Celebrate calcium citrate soft chews. Come cook with us. The ingredients are 6 Celebrate calcium soft chews of 2 flavors of your choosing at minimum, 1 bowl washed green grapes, toothpicks, crushed cashews, almonds, or other nuts of your choosing, 1 teaspoon of water. Okay, so this is a very quick and easy recipe. First, you are going to unwrap at least 6 of your calcium citrate soft chews. The next step is you'll take your toothpicks and we're going to stab them right into the center of the grapes just to make it easy for dipping when we get to that point. So we'll put about 10 or so on here. Okay, next we're going to take 1 tablespoon of water and add it to our calcium citrate soft chews. Now this is the easy part. Only involves a microwave. We're going to microwave this. It'll be about 50 seconds in total. So about every 20 seconds we'll give it a stir, and then it should only need about 10 to 20 on the end. So now that we melted down our soft chews, next we're going to take our grapes, we'll dip them in a soft chew flavor, and then we'll dip them in a nut mixture. Super simple and easy. You can dip the whole grape if you want, or just the tip of it, whatever you desire. Something else that you can do is just grab a plastic spoon. You can dip it in, kind of spoon some of the mixture to the side, so that would make it deeper for you to be able to kind of create a little reservoir that you can put the whole grape in if you want to. Just kind of helps make it easier. And then just dip it right in your nut mixture and then set it right on the plate. So remember, our calcium citrate is super beneficial after a weight loss procedure. It's the preferred form of calcium because you do not need to take it with any meals. It needs the least amount of stomach acid for absorption. Super instrumental in our bone health. And something that we often forget about, also our teeth, so our dental health, right? We want to make sure that we're taking care of all of our teeth. You could even melt down 3 of your calcium citrate soft chews with a little bit of water to make this mixture, and make sure that you're consuming that whole mixture throughout that day to get your calcium. So it's another easy, creative way to get your calcium intake in. As long as when you're heating it in those 20-second increments, you're not having it get too high where it could harm the calcium citrate. So it still is beneficial for you to intake it. After they chill in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes, you could take out your grapes and enjoy them. Your version of your candied grapes with calcium, super delicious, super juicy. You can use any topping that you desire, but a great, healthy, low-calorie, high-calcium little treat that you can have throughout the day. Thanks for joining us, and tune in next time for our next short, easy, and creative recipe.